Welcome to LearnInStudy, where the learning never stops. In this video, we will learn about storage classes. Variables in C can have not only data type but also storage class. The storage class provides information about their location and visibility. For example, in your house, you may have a place where you keep all your belongings and others do not have access to them. It may be a small drawer, it may be a cupboard, or it may be a room. Same goes with programming languages like C. In C, there are four types of storage classes, namely auto, extern, static, and register. Same goes for each storage specifier. If you declare a variable as extern, the storage location of the variable will be the data segment section of the memory. Initial value will be initialized to 0. The scope of the variable will be global for multiple files. For example, if your program extends to not a single file but multiple files, and if you want to access a variable from one file to another, you will have to use the word extern so that the variable is accessible to all the files which are included in your program. Life of an extern variable is till the end of the program. Until the program runs, the extern variable will be accessible. Next is static. The storage destination of static is in the data segment section of the memory. Initial value of a static variable is initialized to 0. The scope of a static variable is within the block. Life of a static variable is till the end of the program. Next is register storage class. The storage destination of a register is into the CPU register. In the subject operating system, we have learned that CPU consists of various number of registers which can be used for fast access. If any value is stored in those registers, it will be accessible in record time. The initial value of a register variable is garbage value. The scope of a register variable is within the block in which it is declared, and the life of a register variable is till the end of the block.
Hey guys, this is Anshul Maske. If you want to learn C at a greater depth, make sure you check out the full course on the LearnInStudy website. Subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for more trivial information and further updates from this channel. Thank you.